Pinakamurang house and lot sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Welcome to Idesia San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. For as low as 10,000 through Pag-ibig, mapapasaya na ang house and lot na ito. This is Yama Townhouse with 50 square meter lot area. As you can see, napakalawak ng ating parking space, kasya kahit malaking sasakyan. This is the dress-up unit of Yama model. As you can see, napakaganda ng kanyang pagkaka-interior sa kanyang unit. So, napaka-aesthetic. Nasa sa inyo na po kung paano nyo pagagandahin ang inyong unit. Since bear type ang turnover ng ating bahay. So, pwedeng-pwede nyo po itong pagandahin according to your preference. Meron pa tayong setback for your future expansion sa inyong kitchen and laundry area. This is your toilet and bath. O diba, napakaganda rin ng kanilang CR. Tara, akit naman tayo sa second floor. So dito, pwede tayong maglagay ng 2 bedrooms. So as you can see, this is the bedroom number 1. So, di ba malaki pa rin siya. Pwede na magpalagay ng mga built-in cabinets. And, meron din tayong window dyan. And, this is the bedroom number 2 for your kids. So, depende sa'yo kung paano mo lalagyan ng division ang inyong unit. So, magiging artistic ka dito. So, ito po ang kanilang dress-up unit for Yama Townhouse for your future reference. Para sa ating Yama Townhouse, narito po ang ating total contract price and narito po ang inyong sample computation. Pwede po ito sa Pag-ibig and bank financing. And narito po ang inyong reservation fee. Ang kagandahan with Idesia, meron tayong napakaganda at unique na amenities na siguradong ma-enjoy ng inyong buong pamilya. Meron tayong swimming pool, playground, picnic garden, pet park, guarded tayo 24/7, may basketball court, clubhouse, and a very unique amphitheater. O diba ang bongga? Dito lang yan sa Idesia San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Ito naman ang kanilang single attached Sora model with your dress-up unit. Let's go inside, guys! Look at that! Ito ang kanilang sample ng kanilang dress-up unit for the Sora single attached. So, upon turnover, bear type po ang unit natin. So, ang kagandahan po sa bear type, you have your option kung paano niyo po pagagandahin ang interior ng inyong bahay. Pwede kang pumili ng sarili mong tiles for your flooring. So, yun ang maganda doon. So, we have service door dito papunta sa ating parking area connected with the service area. So, akit tayo sa taas. So, dito sa taas, provision siya for 2 bedrooms. So, ikaw na bahala since bear type siya kung paano yung magiging division mo dito sa inyong second floor. So, pwede ka dito magpalagay at least 2 bedrooms. So, malaki pa rin naman ang pwede mong maging kwarto dito for 2 bedrooms. So, diba, ang ganda rin ang kinalabasan ng kanilang room partition. Magandaan with Sora, you have your balcony on your second floor. Diba, ang perfect? At napakalaki ng inyong parking space kahit van pang inyong sasakyan, kayang-kaya, kasyang-kasya. And connected siya sa inyong service area. So, pwede mo itong gamitin for your future expansion kung gusto mo magpadagdag ng mga additional rooms. Nagustuhan mo ba ang ating napakagandang Sora model? If you're interested, narito ang kanilang total contract price, ang iyong magiging monthly amortization, and down payment for this unit. Guys, if you're interested, you can reserve your unit now. Message me lang po for any inquiry. So, mabilis po naubos ang ating mga units. So, no walk-ins allowed po dito. So, kailangan niyo po akong i-message for tripping or for any inquiry. And you can reach me on the number on the screen. Thank you so much and see you. For more updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you!